Today we're going to dye my hair pink again. I am really excited. I used to have really bright pink hair, probably as bright as this. The other day I was actually looking through my old pictures and I'm like, man, I miss that hair so much, so I decided to dye it pink again. To get it this pink last time, what I did is actually went to the salon because my hair was a lot more bleached than it is right now. And then after that, I used Viral Celeb shampoo. It's a weird name, but it's like this one over here to keep it super pink, except I use it in hot pink. This is a different one that I got to try right now. It kept my hair this pink for a year. I just came back from the pool. My hair needs to be washed. I am going to just wash it with a regular shampoo. These are the shampoos that I've been really loving. They are herbal essences, potent aloe and mango. It's a shampoo and a conditioner. By the way, if you hear smacking, my dog decided to eat her treat. Then after washing it with that shampoo, I'm going to wash it with this. This time I'm actually going for more of a pastel. And then I'm going to put some of this conditioner. And now is the time to show you my hair. I do apologize, it's gonna be whooshed absolutely everywhere. But this is what my hair color looks like right now. My hair is crazy. I like that I have darker roots right now because whenever it grows out, I'm not gonna have that crazy line that looks very unnatural. Even though I'm going pink, I have to be natural pink, like a mermaid. We have a Spider-Man here that has just undergone a surgery because she kind of ate him.
5 hours later.
Hey, future me here. Just pretend that I don't have a hat on because I cannot show you my hair yet. Hey, this is Anne editing the video right now, and you might be asking yourself, why in the world did she dress like that? Well, I don't know, but I will make sure to look in the mirror before I upload next time. Did I get it perfectly like I wanted? No. But did I get it perfectly? Yes. Are you ready for the reveal? Turns out that my hair was way too dark for that shampoo. Plus, with every wash, more and more color would come out. After trying that pastel pink and it not working, I went with the same brand but the more vibrant hot pink, which should have made my hair exactly as it was in this picture. I've read that it's really hard to do pastel colors, and I was like, well, if I can't do pastel, I'd rather just have a very nice and vibrant pink. I recommend that you wear something that you don't really care about, that you're okay getting super pink. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the rug that I'm standing on so that that doesn't turn pink. The dog can turn pink too. She should look cute in pink, I think. As I was saying, I probably should have worn gloves for this because that's the color of my hands right now. Do not do this without gloves. My hands have been washed 3 times. I don't know what to do anymore. Gloves, people. I thought since this is a shampoo and not an actual hair dye, I would be just fine without gloves. Well, now I have permanent gloves. At least they're pink though, so. I remember the first time when I decided to dye my hair pink, and I just imagined, you know, seeing her make a pink dye as I was waiting in the chair and then put it in my hair and it all being pink. It's awesome. Now the bottle is pink, my sink is pink, my hands are pink. I'm about to wash it off for probably, it's gonna take the whole 30-40 minutes to wash it off until my hair is done. Get the spots on the face too. Some of them look cool, you know, like a video game scar character. This tutorial might be also how to wash hands off. I'm not joking, I've washed these 3 times. I started looking for a color that would just stay in my hair even after I wash it several times, that I wouldn't have to put more and more in, and that would stay very vibrant. And guess what? I found it. I ended up going with the punky color, and that one is in a shade Flamingo Pink. This had a lot of really good reviews on Amazon, and I can definitely see why. It stays in my hair. This is after 3 washes already because I wanted to test it and make sure that it actually stays in my hair. And I don't see as much staining on like my bed, but I do see a lot of staining on the bathtub. So just be careful, maybe like clean it right after you're done putting this in, because it's gonna be pink. And I'm sure you will like it if you're dedicated enough to pink to make your hair pink, but your landlord probably wouldn't. I applied this thing the same way I applied my shampoo. I then waited about I then waited about 10 minutes, washed it off, and I got the perfect pink color. I just got done washing my hair and this towel is about to fall off my head, so let's see if we can at least make it like in a commercial. Well, that part will probably come down to my editing skills. So if it doesn't look like a commercial, then it's not me that is not doing the commercial stuff. It's just the editing, you know? Now I'm going to put this cream in my hair. Now a little bit of the citrus vibes. And that one is just to make it smell nice. I don't think it does anything. And also, if you hear any smacking, that is my dog who decided to have some dinner while I'm recording this. What I usually do next is I braid it and then I go to sleep with it. And then the next day you get that slightly wavy, fluffy kind of hair, but that looks really good. Today, however, I'm going to record another video right after this. So I'm just going to blow dry it real quick and then I'm going to curl it and then I'll show you the final result. Like I said, I am super happy with that color. Like I said, I'm super happy with this. You're really distracting me. Let's do it together. Like I said, I'm really happy with the way the color turned out. And if you're looking for something really bright and really pink, that is probably a really good color for you. And I will link it in the description. Now next, I would really like to try this one right here, which is I think a cotton candy pink. I'll correct myself if I said it wrong. It's by the same people, so I think that might make it more cotton candy. Alright, I think it's time for us to go, and I literally have to hold you like this right now because if I let you go, I'm gonna have a ton of hair on my black shirt. So just be cute and say bye to everybody. No, not to me, to them. Say bye! And by the way, be careful not to drop some color on the dog. She will turn pink.